If OneDrive is showing an error report and you want to figure out what's going wrong, this guide will walk you through the fastest ways to check the exact issue, review sync problems, restart OneDrive, and reset it if needed. This is especially helpful when OneDrive keeps warning you about files, folders, or sync errors, and you need the details before you can fix them or share them with support. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. This is usually near the bottom right corner of your screen. Once it opens, look carefully for any error messages, warnings, or notifications. OneDrive often gives you a specific code or message that can tell you exactly what the problem is. Write that error down or take a screenshot so you can refer back to it later. This is important because the exact wording can help you identify whether the issue is related to storage, syncing, permissions, or a file name problem. Next, review any sync issues. After clicking the OneDrive cloud icon, check for files or folders marked with a red X or a warning symbol. These icons usually mean OneDrive is having trouble uploading or syncing something. Make a note of which files are affected because that can point you to the cause. For example, a file might be too large, have an unsupported character in the name, or be stuck because of a connection issue. If OneDrive gives you guidance on what to do, follow that message first since it may solve the issue right away. If the error is still there, the next step is to restart OneDrive. Right-click the OneDrive cloud icon, then click Quit OneDrive. This fully closes the app and can clear temporary glitches. After that, open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. Once it reloads, check whether the error report is still showing. In many cases, a simple restart is enough to refresh the sync process and remove temporary errors. If restarting doesn't help, you can reset OneDrive. To do that, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type C:\program files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe/reset and press Enter. After that, wait about 2 minutes. OneDrive may disappear temporarily, and that is normal while it resets in the background. After the wait, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. This reset can fix deeper sync issues and clear out stubborn error reports without affecting your files in the cloud. Once OneDrive opens again, give it a moment to reconnect and resync your folders. Watch the cloud icon and check whether the error comes back. If the issue is gone, then the reset worked. If it still appears, you now have the exact error details and sync information, which makes it much easier to troubleshoot further or contact Microsoft support with clear information. So to quickly recap, check the exact error, review any sync issues, restart OneDrive, and if necessary, reset OneDrive using the Run command. These steps will help you understand what's causing the error report and get OneDrive working again. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.